In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my Shopify store not live. If you're ready to take your store offline, maybe you're pausing operations, wrapping up a trial, or just not ready for customers to see it yet, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using your Shopify admin. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you feel confident following along. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your admin dashboard if you aren't already. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your store's home, orders, and products in the left sidebar. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click Settings. This area controls your store's foundational details, including billing and your plan. Inside Settings, select Plan. This page shows the subscription your store is currently on, whether that's a trial or a paid plan. This is where you'll make the change that takes your store offline. Look for the option to cancel. Depending on your account, it may say Cancel Plan or Cancel Trial. Click that option. When you choose to cancel, Shopify will guide you through a short confirmation process. You might be asked to share a reason for canceling and to confirm your choice. Follow the prompts carefully and read any notices that appear, especially around billing or access. If you're on a trial, canceling here will stop the trial and remove your storefront from public view. If you're on a paid plan, canceling ends your subscription and makes the store not live, meaning customers won't be able to visit or check out. Be aware that canceling a plan disables the storefront for visitors, and you'll lose live access to themes, checkout, and apps on the customer-facing side. Your admin access may remain available for a limited time, depending on your account status, but the public can no longer shop your site. If any confirmation screen asks you to verify the change, complete that verification to finalize the cancellation. Once you've finished, your store is effectively not live. If someone tries to visit your store's URL, they won't be able to browse or purchase. That's exactly the goal here, to make sure your storefront is closed to the public until you're ready to come back. And that's it. Open the Shopify website, go to Settings, choose Plan, and click Cancel Plan or Cancel Trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm, and your store will no longer be live. When you're ready to return, you can come back to your Shopify admin and choose a plan to reactivate your store.